Okay, what's up, guys? Today I thought I'd make another quick video to show you something very trivial if you're studying for the CCNA exam, but not very well documented, at least not on YouTube. There's plenty of documentation on Cisco's website, but as far as I could tell on YouTube, there weren't any clear videos describing the process. So I thought I'd make a quick video on how to use your OS 10 computer as a TFTP server to transfer information to and from your Cisco device. If my phone can focus. And this thing does not want. There we go. Alright then. So, step one is to download TftpServer.dmg onto your computer. All that this application is a very nice GUI for the built-in TFTP service that's already inside of OS 10. So let's start that up. Once you have it downloaded and installed, you're just going to point the application to your desired save folder. In my case, it's the public folder. After that, you're going to open System Preferences and make an exception for TFTP Server in your computer's firewall. Pretty straightforward so far. After that, this is what really threw me off guard, is you're actually going to navigate to your save directory. So whatever directory you have here to save all your files, you're going to navigate to that directory in terminal, and you're going to you're going to manually create the file to be using the touch command. So in my case, I want to take this Cisco Layer 3 switch and make a backup of his operating system. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the touch command to create a blank file of the name of his operating system. This phone can focus. Alright then, you get the idea. I'll make sure that all of this is in the documentation for the video. So once that's done, if I say ls la, man, this phone really does not want to focus. Let's just go with it. So, I know it's very blurry and you probably can't see it. All the way at the bottom is the name of the blank file that I've created. But you can faintly make out over here, he does not have the proper permissions for outside parties to make adjustments to. So, we're also going to use the CHMOD 777 to the C 3550.bin folder that I've made. Now if I say ls la, I know it's hard to tell, you probably can't read this because this phone is ancient, but trust me when I say that that is the original name of the file that I've created, highlighted in red to signify that all potential users have the authority to read, write, and execute to here. They're finally focused. Okay then, now that that's done, I already have a secure shell session open to this layer 3 switch here. And if you're studying for the CCNA, these commands should be pretty straightforward for you. I'm not going to go over these. But what you're going to do is, you're going to copy, let's actually do this, copy flash, what do we got here, C3550 bin file to our TFTP server, press enter. It's going to say what's the IP address of our TFTP server. Let me just double check. Yes, the service is running. There's the would-be file. As you can see, it is 0 bytes in size. We're going to see a change in that. 192.168.0.2. That's our TFTP server. Destination file name. Make sure that this destination file name is the exact same destination name that you've created on your TFTP server. So that's correct. And there it goes. Right now it is going to send basically a backup of the .bin file that sits in the flash memory of this router onto the solid state drive on this computer. This process, in my case, I'm using, I'm pretty sure the cable is 100 megabits per second. Actually, yeah, I am sure. The cable is 100 megabits per second, but the adapter itself is gigabit, but not like that would make a difference in this case. As you can see, it goes by fairly quickly. It took about, I don't know, I would say 20 seconds to copy everything over. If we do a quick refresh, actually I don't even have to refresh, it did it for me. You can see that the blank file that we've created is now 9.7 megabytes, and this is basically a copy of the operating system on this router. So let's exit out of our secure shell, and we could double check if we want. Here you go. What was 0 bytes is now just over 10 megabytes. Alright, thanks for watching. There's plenty of documentation for this on Cisco's website. I just thought I'd, put this together and recommend an application for you guys in the form of a YouTube video. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.